Let's learn some useful formula. Now this piece of formula will only work in Google Sheets. It's like an extra bonus if you're using Google Sheets instead of Excel, and that's the ability to translate one word into a different language. You can see some examples that I've done earlier, but let me show you how it works. In the cell that you want to do it, press equals Google Translate, all one word, as all formula is, open brackets, then the text that you want to translate. Now you can actually type text in here in a quote, or for this example we are going to select the cell, so B2 in this, which case we want hello world to be translated. Then comma. The second part is the source language. What language is hello world in? In this case, and you put this in quotes, you put EN for English. You could also put auto, and Google will figure out what language it is. The third part, after you press a comma again, is the target language. What language do you want it to become? I'm going to set it to Spanish because I'm learning Spanish and it's always good to have a bit of a refresher. Close brackets, press enter. You'll occasionally get that little loading. Depending on how many times you do this formula or how big the translation is, it'll take longer. But you can now see that hello world is translated into Spanish. There are a whole bunch of country codes that you can select from. Here is just a sample of some of the most common languages in the world. I'll provide a list of the country codes in the description below. You can now do the thing.